Welcome back to the Love Station with your smooth Dr. Lovey Dovey. And just to let y'all know, we'll be on every Wednesday to help y'all, to guide y'all, to teach y'all. You can call me Sensei. But today we got our first caller. Caller, talk to me.
Alright, so Dr. Lovey, I'm boy my doctor, right? Nice boy, you know. Okay. I'm a nice boy and thing. I talk only go on now. But Dr. Lovey, the boy I tell you from this, I'm going to want in youth.
Okay.
You know, but I'm not too sure right now, Dr. Lovey, because between me and you, I 8 pitney me have.
Wow.
Yes, Dr. Lovey, 8 pitney. And then I be follow them door around to take care of the pitney them. But you know, I just feel something special about that one, Dr. Lovey. I feel like I him at the one. You know? So I'm just kind of unsure whether or not, you know, I must, you know, have the youth fame. As him say, pitney I old man again, but you know, him just seem different from the others, Dr. Lovey. I need the advice.
Now, caller, let me ask you something. How old you be?
Well, I'm 27, Dr. Lovey.
Okay. And what's the age of your last child?
The last one or 2.
Now, caller, I'm sure you got girlfriends. What do they have to say?
Well, my girlfriend not really saying nothing, Dr. Lovey, because I'm a feeling one of pitney and feeling one of problems to deal with.
Now, caller, listen to me. The kids nowadays got a saying. We listen and we don't judge. But hear me, I'm going to share some words with you that I'm sure you never heard before, my love. Now, I'm going to spell these words to you. Are you ready? Now, hear me. You need to STOP and REST your FRONT, because sooner or later, you won't got any USE for IT. Now, listen to me, caller. In this time, you should be trying to get your life in order. Not trying to figure out if you should be laying in bed and spreading your legs. Can you hear me? So please, caller, don't head back down that road, because it's going to be the same. REST, your FRONT, UNDERSTANDME.
I'm Dr. Lovey. I don't think I understand nothing we just said a while ago.
Yeah, I know. You would be LOST, and that's fine. Rest your mind. That's why they got something called rewind. So go back, please, and listen to what I said. And let that message melt in your head. It's your boy, Dr. Lovey Dovey.